Because with the mothers, if they have too many kids, they cannot take care of them, and dads are hard working. Because of their mom raised them or whatever. Because his mom made him a boy. Because you married him, but you married him because you think if you had kids, he'd be the best daddy in the world that he is. Because you married him. He's good at baseball. Because he always has done fun stuff with us. He's always been there to help us. He's been through stuff, like even though we go crazy, he still loves us, and he's just really helpful. He's good at football. He throws to me, and I like him. He likes me. Okay, that's it. Bad. Happy Father's Day, Dad.